Good day subscriber, I'm Sean. This is a Fix Mom channel. So today I want to show you how you can install a cabinet. As you see, we bought this cabinet unfinished from Home Depot, and this is all cabinet we're going to install. So to start, we start in the bed on the corner one. So this is the cabinet on the corner. So we try to find the stud. As you see with the stud finder, we find the stud. So we only have one stud here. So I put one screw with the washer and another one here. There's another one in the top. Let me show you right there. So, and then this side, so you see that the line is barely meet the corner, so I couldn't meet this stud. So I did another way, and let me show you how to do the other one. So as you see, these are the same thing. So there is no stud here. So I use these anchors and these anchors. So the way I did, I make the hole to the wall, 1 2 3 4. I put the cabinet in the place and made the hole, and so I took the cabinet off and I put these anchors, and after that I put everything back. So to install the cabinet, first you have to put the cabinet up and use these clamps to put these two clamps on the cabinet to make this even. Make two hole, 1 2 hole with the drill bit, and put 2 screws. Okay, sometimes you have to use the shim to adjust the cabinet to be even here, because the wall sometimes is not level. So as you see, I have a gap a little in the back because the wall is not level all the way. So I put one here, and let me show you in the top. As you see, I put the shim in the back too, so for that one. So with the shim you can level your wall, so, and you can be even in your surface. There you go. and this is the result. So we put all the top part, we paint it. For the bottom one, you just need to put it and put one screw. It's gonna hold the bottom one, so you don't need a lot to secure the bottom onto the wall. Just make sure when you do the bottom one, the microwave will be above the gas stove. Someone ate the fish. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home and remodel your home by yourself without paying anyone. Have a good day.